Hi, today we're gonna check out the jet and the helicopter. So first, let's start with the jet. Can you stop it, Amila? I'm making a video. Okay, let's just ignore that, baby. So look at me flying. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's so slow. Let's go fast. Let's go fast. Oh, 6-9. Okay. Slow. Let me slow down. Slow down. Go, go. Yes. Let's go fast again. Whee! Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh, I crashed on a school. Let me try to get out. Oh, fine. Oh, good. I got out. Okay, let's explore. Let's go explore Brookhaven.
Can I see that you crashed on the school?
Oh, sorry, I'm recording. Sorry, Amila. Okay, let's go explore the underground. Let's go explore the underground. Whoa, no, do not. Hey, stop touching my computer. Stop touching my computer. Oh, okay, here's the underground of Brookhaven. Oh, sorry. Oh, stop touching my computer. And you might see some boxes, but these are secrets. You see that light? You see that laser box? That. Wow. Oh my god. And also there was a box for the movie theater. And oh, there's an airplane. This black box right there is for the airplane. Like, you teleport inside the box once you go to. Whoa! Ow! Oh no. Okay, let's try the helicopter now. So, let's go to the police station because there's the local helicopter. Oh, just kidding. Sorry, the wrong way. Now, let's take the ladder. Oh, I'm walking on walls. I have zero gravity. Okay, here's the helicopter. Let's go. I like this one here. So, let's see. Alright. Okay. Let's go. And see everywhere in Brookhaven. Not everywhere. It's not in a few places. Whoa. Go. No. Hey, stop. Oh my gosh.
What happened, Daddy?
Can you please stop bothering me? Okay.
What happened, Mommy?
Stop. I'm recording a video.
What happened, Daddy?
Shush.
What happened,
Stop.
Daddy? What happened, Dummy? What happened, Dummy?
Okay, so. Oh my, it's getting a little bit. Oh, 5:15. Okay. Oh, never mind. I like this. I like the military one. Okay. Oh, look, there was a new house there. Stop. This is the Gold Ranch. It's the Gold Ranch. Another cool brownstone house. So I guess the update. And stop. And what is that? What is that? Oh, what is this thing? What is this? Oh my gosh, what even is that? Oh, there's an exit. Oh yeah. Oh my.